I'm not sure what you mean by covered put. This aggravates the hell out of me. So if you sell a put on Apple, so I call my broker and I sell 10 Apple 220 puts. So I'm obliging myself to buy 1,000 shares of Apple at 220. That's 220 grand. Apple right now is 218. This is not testable unless you're taking a 4 or you're taking a 9. But I'm using it to set up, Daisy, what I'm going to talk about next. So just follow along. So my broker is going to say, Dean, to write an option, there's a margin requirement of 20% of the market value. So Apple's at 218. That's $218,000 times 20%. We're going to want from you, Dean, $43,600 in margin. We also are going to make you leave the premium in the account. That doesn't go anywhere. We'll let you subtract the out of the money amount. Apple's at 218. Oh, sorry, 220 put. It's in the money. So I'm going to have to come up with almost $50,000 to do that. Now, covered put means something completely different. Covered put means I don't have to come up with the margin requirement I just went over if I'm short the Apple. Because if I'm short the Apple, there's no problem with the put because I need to buy back the Apple anyways to cover the short put position. So I think people get hung up all the time. It's not, I see all kinds of, you do a sell a put on a stock you're short to generate additional income. Yeah, that's not what covered means. And it's stupid because you're capping your gain. And covered put means you're not going to have to come up with what I just told you, the margin requirement. Right. And so you're covered in a put if you have two things: cash equal to the aggregate exercise price. In other words, there's enough cash in my account to pay for the stock, or I'm short that stock. Then I'm considered covered on the short put. So I hope that was helpful. The main thing about that short stock, short put is recognizing it still exposes the customer to unlimited loss. So that's the main test question.